This is my review of the items I got from dkoldies.com. You see, this is what I got from dkoldies.com. And you can tell that it is from dkoldies.com because it says dkoldies.com and the logo for dkoldies is right here. Now I'm going to be opening this package up to show you what I got from dkoldies. Now, what I got from dkoldies is these games right here. I got this game right here. This is a disc only game right here. You see, I got the disc only game of Toy Story for the PSP, and all the games you see, I'm going to be testing them in this video. You see, I got this only disc game for the PSP, and I also got this disc only game for the Xbox right here. I got this PRG 3 game. This is a racing game for the Xbox 360. And I also got these games right here, which is NASCAR 2011, and I also got Dirt for the Xbox 360. These 3 disc games that I got are for the Xbox right here. And this Toy Story 3 game, we're going to be testing that right now. So let me put in the game for the Toy Story, or let me turn on the PSP first. And then I'm going to be playing the disc inside of the PSP, so let me exit out of this game and click on yes. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be inserting the disc inside of the game for the PSP. I'm going to be inserting the PSP game inside of the PSP. Now just wait for the PSP to read the game disc from dkoldies. You see, now the game is going to be read right here, playing the game. And this is what the game looks like when I am playing it from the PSP. And remember, these games that I got are from dkoldies.com. So this is my review of something that I bought from dkoldies.com. Now I'm going to be giving you some little gameplay of the game that I got from dkoldies.com. You see, I am playing the game right here on the PSP. This Toy Story 3 game that I bought from dkoldies.com. I'm playing it right now. You see, I am trying to play it right now. You see? You see, I am playing the game right now from dkoldies.com. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing the Xbox 360 games on the Xbox from dkoldies.com. And the only game that we're going to be testing is this game right here. We're going to be testing out PRG3 for the Xbox 360 right now. So let me turn off the PSP game, and now we're going to be testing the Xbox 360. And you saw that the PSP took a little bit long to load the game, but it still loaded the game. It's only the PSP, not the game. The game works fine because I showed you right there that you can play the game on the PSP as well. And the game that we just played is Toy Story 3 from dkoldies.com. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing this PRG3 game for the Xbox 360. So let's head over to the Xbox right now. Now you're going to be seeing that I'm going to be inserting this disc for the PRG3, this disc, I'm going to be inserting the PRG3 disc inside of the Xbox 360. And remember, this game is from dkoldies.com. And now I'm going to be inserting the game inside of the Xbox 360, like so. Now what I need to do is I need to change the input on my TV right here, because you see, I need to change the input on my TV like so. So let's change the input on my TV right now. So let me change the input on my TV so that you can see that the Xbox 360 game, the PRG3 game, works with my Xbox. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing out the game right here. So let me play the game, and you see PRG3 is working on the Xbox 360 right here. So let me play the game and give you some preview that the game works right here. This PRG3 game, remember, I have got it from dkoldies.com, and this is my initial review of the games that you got. And remember, the Xbox 360, I did not get it from dkoldies.com. The Xbox 360, I'm going to be showing you the listing and where I bought it from in a couple of minutes. So let me show you that right here. I'm going to be putting where I got the Xbox 360 that you saw in the video, or the Xbox 360 that I am using. I'm going to be showing you where I got it from right now. So you should see that the Xbox 360, I have gotten it from eBay. And this is how much it cost, and this is all the accessories that it came with. You're going to be seeing all the accessories that the Xbox 360 came with. Now I'm going to be playing the game right here. I'm going to be giving you some preview of the game that I bought from dkoldies.com, as you saw right there. And I'm also going to be showing you the listing that I got from dkoldies.com as well, to show you everything I have gotten for the Xbox and PSP. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to be showing you the game that I got again. You see, I got this disc only game right here. I got this disc only game of Toy Story 3. This is the disc only game that I got from dkoldies.com. This is the disc only game of Toy Story 3. And you can see that this game is for the PSP because it says PSP on the disc, and you can recognize that the game is from the PSP because this disc looks like these for the PSP. Now, the other games that I got is this one right here. I got this dirt game right here. You see, I got this dirt game for the for the Xbox 360 right here. I got this dirt game for the Xbox 360, and I also got this NASCAR 2011 game right here for the Xbox 360. And I also got the game that you saw me play right there, which is PRG 3 for the Xbox 360. Now I'm gonna be showing you the games and what they look like. You see, this is one of the games that what they look like. This is the PRG3 game right here for the Xbox. You can see that it looks in pristine condition, but you might see that there's some like scratches, but I think those are just surface scratches from the resurfacers that they use to resurface the game and to remove the scratches. I think you see right there, you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some like lines right there. There's some like lines or circles on the disc for this game for the Xbox right here. You can see that there's some lines or some circles right there that are coming up right there. These circles you see, I think those are circles that the resurfacer leaves when you are resurfacing the disc, that you can remove the scratches and not hit the game disc data. I think those are just scratches from the resurfacer that dkoldies uses to remove the scratches and not get to the game disc information on the disc. This is the PRG3. Now what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to be showing you this one right here. I'm going to be showing you this one right here. Let me open this one up. And then I'm going to be showing you dirt right here. Let me take out the game dirt. And then as well, you can see that the disc has some lines right there. You can see that there's some like lines. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some like lines right there. Right here you can see that there's like lines for the resurfacer that the resurfacer left so that it can remove the scratches. You see, I don't know if you can see on the screen, but there is some like lines that the resurfacer left on the screen right here. There's some circles that the resurfacer left that are, I don't think they're scratches, but I think they are resurfacer scratches that it leaves when you try to remove the scratches, and it only tries to remove the scratches and not the game data. So this is the game dirt right here. You see, this is what the disc looks like right here. You can see right there that there's some scratches right here. There are some scratches, but I don't know if those are like regular scratches or just resurfacer scratches. Now, that's it for this video, guys, on my review of the games that I got from dkoldies.com. So please like, comment, and follow me, and subscribe for more reviews on the games that you can get on dkoldies.com. So please like, comment, and follow me for more tips like these ones and reviews.